everybody. I thought I did this in the other room, but I guess I didn't. So hello. I decided let's go back to something we haven't done for a while. I made a clam dish. So I'll let you see how I decorated.
I'm just sitting here.
Well, I painted the whole thing a pale blue. Not the other side. I'm going to do that later. But I'm just going to, I did kind of a generous, maybe a little too generous, but I did a kind of a generous, because this is a more porous clay and tends to soak it up. And I want it to kind of get a little enamel type thing on it, so a little spot here. Yeah, I finger paint. You remember that. So I'll be back later, and I will do our little bird inside there. A little cartoon bird. Okay. I'm going to try and draw this little birdie in here. And see. I mean, we all need a little bit of cartoon fun in our life. Not just kids. Okay. Divvy, but tough to hair. Oh, feathers. I know, they're feathers. Two big eyes. 1, 2, and a beak. He needs to have a, oops. Good thing I'm going to be painting this. His beak's a little small. Well, now we need the neck. And some big old weird wings on this plate. They have to follow the contours. And then a fat little ending down here, buddy. Joop, 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 joop. Of course, yeah, this is all going to have to come out of paint. But I'm having fun with the pencil right now. I'm not having to do anything perfect. It's cartoony. Treat little. You. Nice drumstick there on him. There. That's pre-paint. Bum, 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 bum. Bottled up. All right. Hopefully this blue's dry enough that it won't turn the red purple. Because I want to make him a redhead. Can you see? Bear with me. Ooh. Well, that didn't turn out perfect. That's why we got black pens. That's why I've got a black Sharpie outlining. There. Tap, tap, dab, dab.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Well, looks like there's still a little bit of wet. The brown's dry. I don't know why the orange and red still aren't dry, but I'm going to do this. I'm going to outline him. Here's his wings. Here's his body. And some tail feathers down here. some birdie toes. His tuft on his head. I really want to outline that beak, but it's not quite dry. And I don't know why. See if I can dry brush a little of that. What do you think? Oh, I got something. I got an idea. I was going to put Merry Christmas on everything, so we don't want that hanging on the wall all year long. So let's go. I don't know if this one's drying up or if it's just... This'll be our Happy Monday plate. There, now it looks more like an A. Happy Monday. And we'll get to the back. It's got a little blue on it already. We'll let this be the video though for today. I hope you like it. Oh wait, he's not done, is he? He's not done. We need 3 little feather lines here. I think I need to grab a new Sharpie. 3 little feather lines here. Now we've got him. He's our Happy Monday plate. And he's got himself some feathers. And toes. And tail feathers. I might paint those brown. Or I might not. I don't know. Maybe I'll do this. Our Sharpie is going there. I don't know if that looks any better or not. Okay, but if I don't like it, I can paint over it with blue when everything's dry. So, when you're not looking, I'll paint the back blue, just like this. If I can figure out how to do it with all that mess on there. So maybe over time we'll make a whole week worth of plates. Well, this one's our Happy Monday, though. So Happy Monday. From Fralins and Friends Crafts Plus. I've had a lot of fun doing this one. You couldn't tell, I'm sure. It's been a good day. I've got 6 hats done. I'm proud of myself. I'm not even going to tell you how many I've got to go. So be sure to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, click that notification bell, ga-ding, and have a wonderful day. And smile and wave.
Like a bird on a tree.
And be careful with the masks and all that. So,
I'm just sitting.
we will see you tomorrow. Love you all.
I got time.
Good night.
It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small.